Good morning, y'all. Today is Thursday. This is going to be a start of a new vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to subscribe. Your girl's on her way to work. I worked out this morning. I worked on upper body. But your girl has a headache. I don't usually get headaches, but I think it's because I was on vacation last week. And it was my birthday last week, as some of you know. But I am like getting back in the groove of waking up early, going to work, like just like my regular routine. So I think me just not getting as much rest as I usually do, it's beating me up. Okay. But we're about to head to Starbucks because I want me some Starbucks, and I got a Starbucks gift card. Well, my brother got me a Starbucks gift card for my birthday. So just go. I don't know what you're doing. So yeah, we're about to go to Starbucks. And I was with my coworker the other day and we got Starbucks together, and both of our birthdays are in August, and we were trying to figure out how do we get our free like birthday pastry. But yeah, it's not on the app. If you guys know, let me know. But I don't see it in the app. I'm like, am I supposed to get an email? I don't think my right email, I think my old email is on this account, so hopefully it doesn't associate with me looking at my email. But yeah, I need my free stuff. No, a couple days ago, I tried a white chocolate mocha. And if you guys don't know, I'm not a coffee drinker. I think most people know that if you watch me. But I'm starting to dibble and dabble into it because I feel like I'm gonna need more energy in my life. So I'm gonna have to start doing something because your girl be tired. So I tried a white chocolate mocha with like 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla syrup because I don't want it to be too like coffee tasting yet. I'm not there yet. And it was good. So I'm gonna get me one of those again. Also, a cinnamon dolce latte is good too, but this white chocolate mocha got me in a chokehold. And y'all, we get our lashes done on, when do we get our lashes done? On Saturday. So I'm excited. Cause this, no, just turned 25 and I look like I'm 16. Hi, can I have a grande white chocolate mocha?
Grande white mocha, okay.
Can you add 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla syrup?
Sugar-free vanilla?
Yes.
Alright.
And then a turkey bacon sandwich, please.
Yeah, would you like avocado to go with it today?
No.
Alright, what else can I do for you?
That'll be all. I'm a rewards member with you guys, but I'm not sure how to get like my free birthday thing. Do you know
Your
how?
birthday drink?
Yeah.
Yeah, is today your birthday?
No, it was last week, but I didn't see nothing pop up last week when it was my birthday.
So it is only the day of your birthday.
Oh, okay.
Normally they should be sending you like an email or something about it.
Okay. Okay, no worries. All right, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Day of your birthday? Be for real. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Yeah, that's stupid for it to be the day of your birthday. Like, come on. Come on now. But whatever. If anybody didn't know that, now you know. Waiting here for my coworker to hop on. Y'all, look what my favorite coworker got me. It says, "Happy birthday, Jayla. Thanks for making all the days at work much more bearable. Wishing you everything good in the year ahead, Courtney." Oh, she got me a $25 Gift card. So sweet. She's like my work bestie. What's up, y'all? So today is Friday. I had to work earlier today, but I got off at like 2 because your girl had a dentist appointment. I had to get like a fill on like the upper top of my mouth. And y'all, it wasn't that bad. Like the needle hurt. She had to like poke me for like a minute, but once she numbed me, it was easy. So I'm glad I just got that out the way because I was like overthinking it and it was just like way too much. But yeah, we're about to go to Target because Target hasn't seen me in like a month. I've been staying away from them because they're dangerous. But we're gonna go because I actually like need some stuff, and then we'll probably come back home and relax and go to sleep. It's almost 7 o'clock on a Friday, and I got a lash appointment at 9:30 tomorrow, which I don't understand why I made it so early. But yeah, so catch y'all at Target. But you deserve a sponsor. Talk to do it. New crib, new bills, stay paid. These are like, I've always wanted to try Target bras. These feel so good. These do too. Like I need something like not padded, but very soft. I just love the color of this. But the thing is, I don't know my size. I haven't bought bras in so long. I think I'm gonna try this lotion because they don't have the one I usually get, but this one smells really good. And Aveeno, from what I've tried, is pretty moisturizing. These are for my office, so every time somebody walks in my office, it smells good. And these be working. Y'all, I literally have been looking for these for like 2-3 months. So yes, we are buying 2 bags. What's up, y'all? So I'm not sure where I left off in this vlog, but I know I didn't get to show you guys the free birthday gifts I got from a few of my favorite stores. So let's do a haul. And y'all, get your birthday gifts when it's your birthday, okay? It's free gifts. So I got something from Bath and Body Works, and then I have my Sephora and my Ulta birthday gift in here. But let's start with Bath and Body Works. So I've never got a birthday gift from Bath and Body Works. I've been a member with them for a minute, but for some years. But I was watching this one girl, and she like went to all these stores and got birthday gifts, and this is what inspired me to do that this year. But Bath and Body Works birthday gift is kind of like goofy in my opinion because you have to buy something in order to get the birthday gift, which is so stupid. But it only has to be $2 or more. So $2, anything that's like $2 is hand sanitizer. So I got me a little hand sanitizer. This one smells like oranges. Speaking of that, actually, I'm still gonna wash my hands, but let's smell it. Yeah, it smells like oranges. And then the birthday gift I got was this Into the Night body lotion, but I'd probably use this as a hand lotion because it's so small. So I think I'm gonna like keep this in my purse. So that's what I got here. And then for Sephora and Ulta, because I put them in the same bag. At Ulta, I got this Lancome Advanced Face Serum. I think this is a night serum. Strengthens the skin, moisturizes barrier in one drop. Healthy, young looking skin in 7 days. That's how it looks. It's just like a travel size, so I probably will save this for when it's like my next trip and I need some skincare. Which your girl's not traveling for like a month, thankfully. And then next, from Sephora, I got this
think that's how you pronounce it. Case says gift. So it has lip gloss and then it has this brow gel. I thought this was cute because the other options were like hair stuff, which I don't need any hair stuff. Let's try this on. It's probably gonna look crazy because I don't know makeup on. Wet lip oil. She cute, whatever. So that and this Air Brow. So it's clear lifting treatment gel. I could always use some brow gel. I need to find the one I actually bought and use that one. But that's what I got in there. And then I also got, this wasn't free, but I got me some more Tropicals lip balm. If y'all haven't tried this, y'all need to get you some because this is like the best expensive lip gloss. Best $16 lip gloss I've ever tried. Yeah, y'all, it just does it for me. Like, this is the best lip gloss, clear lip gloss Sephora has. But yeah, those are all my free gifts. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, let's unbox. I also want to unbox another gift I got, but my stepmom got me this because she knows me. So she got me, well, first of all, my dad and my stepmom, they gave me money for Christmas, for my birthday. And pretty much the rest of my family, they all gave me money. Because as y'all know, I went to Dominican Republic for my birthday. So when I got back, I just had like lunch and dinner with all my family, my mom, my stepmom, my dad, my siblings. So I just all caught up with them once I got back and they gave me money. But my stepmom got me an additional gift, and this is perfume. This is what the brand looks like. And she knows your girl's a perfume girl. And I told myself, I said, I'm not buying perfume, or I'm not asking for perfume for like another 6 months. Maybe Christmas. If there's a perfume I really want, I might ask. I might put that on my list, but no. I don't need no more perfume. I actually need to like use the perfume I got, so yeah. Oh, so this is pretty. Hold on. So it goes like, this is pretty. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, I don't want to drop it. This is pretty. Oh my God. Yes, I'm curious to see how it smells. I don't have no perfume on, so let's go. Oh, hopefully it's not strong though, because I'm about to take a nap and I do not want to smell this in my sleep. Let's spray it on here. Kind of sprayed it on my hand. This smells good. This smells good. I like it. I couldn't tell you what it smells like though. Well, yeah, I will be wearing this. It smells really good. I believe you can get this from Amazon. Y'all, my perfume rack thing is like, I bought that maybe like a year ago and it's full. I have some of my perfumes on like my dresser, but like my rack is full. But yeah, love her. You guys, if you guys need some new perfume, and I believe it was inexpensive, you should get you some of this. All right, y'all, before I take a nap, I want to give you guys a recap of my birthday trip to the Dominican Republic. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert clips right here.
I ain't got a clue, bro.